Today the students of grade 12, we went to the Govardhan Cheese Factory. The main company is the Parag Foods, and we came to their dairy farm at Manchar, which is in the outskirts of Pune. It was a brilliant experience. I think most of us were not aware much about cheese processing, about how milk is processed. So the guides, the instructors over here, they were very, they answered all our questions, and there were a lot of misconceptions, I would say, about adulteration and processing, which were cleared.
And it was a great experience outside of the classroom. We got to know a lot about how different production processes go on, from milk harvesting to the manufacturing of cheese. I feel it helped me understand the effort that goes into such production processes, because a lot of us are just used to opening the wrapper and eating it, but many of us are not aware of all the scientific technique and expertise that goes into it. And today I feel the explanations and the hands-on learning really helped with understanding everything properly.
And we saw milk churning and cheese storage and how cheese is actually made and the differentiation between cheeses. And I personally like cheese myself, so this was a very fun trip for me. Firstly, we went to the farm, the Bhagya Lakshmi farm, where we saw the cows, and it was really interesting to know that there is a certain temperature and the process, how they feed the cows and how the milking is done. And we saw all the machinery that is used. And we also went to the storage unit, where we saw how the cheese is stored, how it is manufactured, how it is packed, and how it actually comes to us in our home.
It was actually important for me to learn what is the difference between the milk which are being sold in the market and which are being sold here. What is the difference of Govardhan with other companies? And it was really educational and knowledge.
And fun fact, while they were giving out samples, I had 75% of them, so about 70 rupees of milk. It was that good.
The overall experience was very good. The industrial visit was very informative. Students asked a lot of questions, and they also understood all the processes. The staff here explained everything in detail. So it was a very insightful and informative trip for us.